just to see new life coming into the world, and you've just been just a tiny little part of it, and to, you know, just to pick that baby up and hand it to mum, oh, it's just fabulous. I work on the induction of labour ward. Basically, it's where our patients come in to be induced for many different reasons. You know, you're a bit of a cuckoo in the nest sometimes, but you know, I gotta be honest, you know, everybody's fantastic here. You know, my colleagues, the management, I'm just one of the team. I'm just one of the girls. Deep down, you're still a nurse, even though you're a midwife, you're still a nurse, and I just like the nursing side of it. So you're looking after the mum, you're inducing them or delivering them or whatever, but there's a baby to consider as well. The most rewarding thing is job satisfaction, to see somebody that's come in nervous, you've put them at their ease, they've had a nice quick induction, they delivered quickly and everything's gone well, and they go home with this baby that's absolutely perfect. You can have somebody who's very unwell, but you've helped them. I'd like to think, you know, that I make a difference to them. You know, you do try and sort of smooth things over and make things easier for them, and, you know, do what you can. So I like to think I'm there for them 100%. I think you have to be caring, I think you have to be very kind, and you have to be empathetic and try and be truly with women, I think. You have to, yeah, I don't think you have to be. And you have to strike up a good relationship, and it won't work otherwise. And they're relying on you to get them through this. We all help each other. So it is a team effort. You know, you have to be a team player here. There's no room for any mavericks here. See these little babies and their mums and their dads. Yeah, it's fantastic.